Hello, and welcome to the sixth episode in the Back to the Basics Makeup 101 series, where we will be talking about eyebrows. So, my brows are naturally full, and please, at the end of this video, I will explain why it is different from the other videos in the series, and then you'll understand and forgive me. But anyway, onto eyebrows. Eyebrows frame the face. Honestly, great, full, natural looking eyebrows make any and every makeup look awesome. They kind of like elevated, give it like a certain finish. I'm not sure how to explain it, but that's what I can come up with at the moment. So for eyebrows, there are different products that you can use to fill your brows. You can use either a pencil, gel liner. Yeah, you can actually use gel. So there are eyebrow products that are in gel forms, and you can use powder. So you can use a powder and an angled brush to fill your brows as well. Now, for me, I rarely fill my brows. I'm just going to use this Zaron gel brow pencil right here. But usually what I do is I just go in with a spoolie. And just brush my brows. So I have naturally full brows. I haven't filled them. I haven't like trimmed them or done anything to shape them or whatever in, I'm sure it's going on 5 years now, if not more. But anyway, so that is what I usually do to my brows. But I think I'm just, for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna go in and just fill them with the pencil, the actual pencil that comes. Yeah, so I'm just gonna fill them. So for people like me who have full brows, it's just easy to follow, like just trace the natural line of my brows and then fill in any sparse areas. Now, if you ever see me fill my brows, just know that it is because I do love a good point. I love a good point, yeah. So there are also stencils that are like templates that you can use. You just put them on the brows, you place them on your brows, and then you just use like a powder to fill them in. So they are available. I know Haga and Esther has some eyebrow stencils. So yeah, so you can use those as well if you know that your hand movement isn't great. So for me, this is basically my filled brows. Usually, if you want to fill your brows, when you want to fill your brows, there's always this template that they say. So they always say to go in with, so this should be where your brow ends. Like if you put like a pencil or a line from the edge of your eyes to where your brows are. So this is where your brow should end. No matter what shape you want to do, it should never go past this line. And then this should be the high point of your brows. If you take a straight line from the edge of your brows, just go straight. This should be like the high point of your brows, the arch. And this, so from here to here, like this, should be where your brows begin. But for people like me who just have naturally full brows, I don't go with any of those rules. And I mean, they usually say that know the rules so you can break them. And so that is it for me. So this is basically what I do. If I do want to go any extra, I go in with this. So this is like my everyday staple. It's kind of like clear mascara. So you can use clear mascara or you can use products like this. They just help you to comb through your brows. So with or without filling the brows, you can use a product like this, comb it through your brows, and your brows like stay on all day. It's kind of like a gel formulation, a gel liquidy gel formulation that just helps it to stay put all day, so it's not going to move, it's not going to scatter or anything like that. So for the brows, basically that is it. My first advice to anybody ever is do not touch your brows. Let them grow out, let them be full, and then and only then can you determine your proper shape. But some people, like they shave everything off. I mean, I'm not even gonna judge because I guess some brows are crazy looking, but that's fine. That's fine. So for people like that, they have to draw on their brows. They have to draw it on, and then they have to now come back in. They have to come under and do like a highlight. So this Zaron gel brow pencil actually has something like that. So you can use this to do like a powder and like a eyeshadow shade like this, or something lighter to kind of like highlight under the brows just to make it stand out. So yeah, so let me know which kind of product you like to use to fill your brows, if you fill your brows, or if you're like me and you just have really full gorgeous lashes and lashes, you just have full gorgeous brows and there is no need for you to do anything extra to them. So until our next episode, ciao. So make sure, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment below so far what your favorite eyebrow product is and how you fill your brows. All right, thank you. Bye. So I did say I was going to explain why this background is different from all the other videos in the series. Well, it is because I shot like the whole episode and then my camera just went poof and everything was lost. I had done my brows, I was finished and everything, and because I was going to do a look for something else, I couldn't like clean it and start all over again. And that is basically the reason why one of the hazards of being a content creator is that sometimes you lose your content. So I hope you guys don't mind. This background actually looks cool. All right then, bye.